a vehicle to no embrace. The way you feel, the way you taste, it multiplies. So much to share, so much to share. And all material scatters, and ashes amplified. The only place that matters is by your side. What if all the time between the words we say and what we mean would roll as softly as a stream that we could ride? We'd ride the band from source to mouth. I want a friend from north to south to build that question as a house where we'd reside. So much to share, so much to share. When all material scatters and ashes amplify, the only place that matters is by your side. When all material scatters and ashes amplify, the only place that matters is by your side.
Video. No, no, no. It's just a video.
I tried to tell you I didn't know how to stay. You believe she can see through, cutting at the silent clay. The relief back in deep blue, fettered in the magnets underneath the gun as it feeds you, spitting up the oxygen once again. Once again, empty horses gallop through the violet door, follow red crooked courses, shadows in the moonlit more on my stars, winged creatures galloping in silken height like the last human teachers, machinery of constant sight. Once again we must bleed new, even as the hours shake crystal blood like a dream true, a ripple in the wounded wake. You believe, I believe too, that you are the river of light, who I love, that I cling to in the belly of the empty night. From the 31st floor of the simulation swarm, with a drone of fluorescence, flicker, fever, fill the form. In the warm gush, and I wanna touch that we never could before. I'd fly to you tomorrow, I'm fighting in this war. I wanna drop my arms and take your arms and walk you to the shore. I remember building an energy shield in your own, like a temple, swallowed in the windless field, very thin with your mother, tall as a pale green tree, very wild, bright as winter, rising with a prism key and a child to deliver, tangled in the blood and vine is the first little angel, taken from the northern pine. You believe, I believe too, that you are the river of light, who I love, that I sing to in the belly of the empty night. From the 31st floor of the simulation swarm, with a drone of fluorescence, for the fever fill the form. In the warm gush, I wanna touch that we never could before. I'd fly to you tomorrow, I'm not fighting in this war. I wanna drop my arms and take your arms and walk you to the shore. I'd fly to you tomorrow, I'm not fighting in this war. I wanna drop my arms and take your arms and soft in his newborn skin. Only one little Andy, will he return again? I believe we marry him, because there is no other. Once again, fall asleep with our backs against each other. I believe, and you believe too.